Finally, about time me and this guy link up and do something.
Finally. We were supposed to originally do it with Sideshow Tone 7 years ago.
Yeah, but you know what? This is a perfect one to kick it off.
Oh, yeah.
Time.
How you doing, man? Good to meet you.
Most.
Aaron.
Hi, Most.
Probably that clip. More than likely that one. I gotta walk it and see.
What are we doing today, though?
We're doing a gender reveal, man.
Who's having a kid?
Me, of course. I wouldn't be out here for nobody else but myself.
You having a kid by yourself?
Nah, my girl, she right there.
I'm just playing with you. I know.
Right there. Look at my Percy. Even though she didn't clean it.
What's up? Congratulations. You excited?
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
Gender reveal.
What's up, brother?
Nice to meet you.
What's your IG?
Follow Mouse Photography.
My man's got the lenses for sure. What's up, girl? Thank you for coming.
Of course.
What's up, man? Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
What's your IG? Let them know.
Flying Hawaiian SS.
But you know what we're doing?
Nah.
Okay. I'll tell you guys all over here. So you guys know this is Mike. Tell them what we're doing today. They don't even know.
Oh, yeah, we're doing gender reveal.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I didn't tell them what was going on or who they filming. I just said, just be here. And they came down, so I fuck with them. So let's walk this track and let's see what we're gonna do.
Yeah,
Angles wise.
I want to drive it and see how it feels.
Go
It's bumpy and shit, so
Go ahead.
I'm gonna go through it.
We over here in Stockton at this go-kart track. There's a lot of factors that come into play. Wind is a big factor. We got to figure out which way the wind's blowing because we want to see the smoke and we don't want his tire smoke to overshine what's inside of that balloon. So they're gonna pop the balloon. He's gonna come drifting around one of these corners. He's gonna pop that bitch and then we're gonna figure out and find out what exactly the agenda's gonna be. I say it's a boy.
Y'all think too small, I got big dreams. You just starting, I'm way ahead at the end scenes. Started reading and dodging all of the quick schemes. Money like your Spotify, boy, I got 10 streams. And I'm still looking for more. My people, they got a soar, I'm putting that on the Lord. Ain't accepting, ignore, just kicking down all the doors. Guarantee you, boy, if I ask for it, it's gotta be real big. I gotta make it just for my kids and for their kids, just kids. That's wealth, years and years. Promise my brother soon as he out and finish this bid, we finna do it bigger than anybody ever did. The odds is real big, job that's real big. Say trying a little, my God is real big. Stayed up on the grind on the cars is real big. I gotta do it big, the only way that I can live. And I promise I'll try to. Before you count me out, homie, let me remind you. They was blocking the shine, now I think it's my time to. Counting them dollar signs like lights, they'll blind you. Let me rewind to back when I was broke and I couldn't acquire 2 cents. And now I got 2 rents. They was sleeping on me, homie, must have got too big. Call my phone, I be like, who is? Damn right, hell yeah, I'm brand new. Smell like can too. I'm fresh forever like canned food. Try and tell me what I can't do. I wanna see the world, my vision on shampoo. That mean I got gold.
It's like it works better if I shift up.
You gotta hit third.
Yeah. If I come through in third right here and I clutch kick it, you have to scrub so much to where it's like I have to downshift back down. Because if I clutch kick it in third right here, it just wants to go straight. So the LSD just doesn't like the third gear clutch shift, so, or the clutch kick. At this point, when I do the transition, it doesn't feel like the rear end is kicking. And then over here, once you come around this part, it's a little tight right there. It's like almost like a 90. Come in with so much speed, bruh. I know. So it's like this slowdown's gonna be kind of hard. I'm gonna come back around and try that one.
Hey, sound good. Yeah. Look. I'm interested in making ends opposed to making friends. Double bags, I've been paranoid having the safest sex. I'll take the check. Finishing this drink should only take a sec. But Mark just cut me off and told me that I go on stage at 10. Walk out to my own shit on the main event. Da Vinci my cologne after the show. She told me that shit was a favorite sin. Sprint event is spacious, we could take it friends. What happened next, you could take a guess. Then I beat the odds too. Got a lot to prove. L Woods with the law school. I am not a wave, I'm a monsoon. Send her on her way after she blow me like some hot soup. She break a bank just to get the right picture and it looks great. Ooh, I love the shape, I swear to God, I saw to look away. Prove to me you got it, girl, I gotta see how that pudding taste. Got me in the comments saying shit I probably shouldn't say. I like girls who earn a bunch. Cook me up some lunch, they cook my book, she work for Ernst & Young. And even if she is the perfect one, I'm gonna find emotional connections on worth the time. I'm somewhere secluded where the surface up, beach kitchen and I'm tired getting Turkish love. Server pulling up umbrella drink, I had to purchase one.
I'm not at the beach, this is a bathtub.
Look, shit bang, going my way for a hot set. They want me to cool off, nigga, not yet. I'ma turn and change, I gotta set it straight. I had to drop a couple Williams on the tennis chain. Had to make the image levitate to keep them entertained. I might shoot my shot at LMA. Oh, y'all thought this was a joke. I did not follow directions, bitch, I made it on my own.
Jesse Smith, man, I'm a police officer here in the city of Stockton. Just happened to be driving by, saw a couple of cool cars out here drifting. I'm a car enthusiast myself, so I wanted to stop by. Little did I know, I came over to a gender reveal. So I just wanted to tell you guys congratulations. It's definitely a blessing, you know, to be able to bring a new life into this world. Definitely praying, you know, God's blessings over you and your family, and just be safe out here, man.
She a thug life. We done did worse shit than this.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side, yeah. That's until the day I die. Ever since you found me, we the only thing I see. Forever and a day, it's you and me, and they can't replicate this unity. No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you with me. 'Cause girl, I know that you get me, so I'll go anywhere.
So yeah, we here, Drifterville. We're having a baby. Ugh. So we're gonna see what this thing is.
So I'll go anywhere.
Alright, here we go. About to get the money shot.
As long as you with me, 'cause girl, I know that you get me, so I'll go anywhere. 'Cause I'll go, 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 so I'll go anywhere.
So how'd it go?
Went good.
Man, that was a lot of fun.
Aaron.
We had a lot of fun out here.
Look, he didn't pop his balloon, bro.
Man, you didn't put it on the text.
Dude, hey, wasn't it on there?
She said that I hit
Wasn't it on there though? It was hitting on there.
It was hitting. I know, I looked back, I was like, I get any close, I'm gonna kill both of you.
The ending was good though. I like it.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, the blooper scene.
Filthy's hopping in Aaron's whip. He doesn't want to let us in.
Oh, it'll open.
Ooh, there you go. So Aaron,
Yo.
don't hit it the first time. Just let her get like a feel comfortable of coming around that corner.
Yeah, for sure.
How you guys feel having a daughter?
I can't wait. I wanted a daughter. She wanted a boy.
That's dope. Hey, that was a good hit though. Oh my!
I'm hitting spot on.
just swipe out the G-Shock. Moving slowly, I know the street hype. No more double, go ahead a detox. Yeah, yeah. Came from the trenches, they ain't showing us no love. Thugging in the city, all we wanted was a hug, yeah. We on the block like every night to catch a buzz. Get the cash and take my